Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop, and we're going to do just a real quick how to use your Harvest Right sealer, heat sealer with mylar bags. And first off, in my experience, we want to have the setting. I move it all the way to hot. So I've turned it all the way from the coolest temperature to the hottest, and then the red light here shows us when the heat is being applied to this heat strip. And one of the key features, and I think where a lot of people fail on these bags, is we want to make sure that there are no ripples in the bag. We want the bag to be nice and smooth, and we want it to be clean on the inside. So we can't just like lay it in there all crumpled up. We want to make sure the bag isn't overfilled, and then we want to press it and smooth it out nice and smooth, and then I kind of lift up on the bottom of the bag. Now I want you to watch the red light, and however long that stays on, I count to 10 when it's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what we're doing when the red light is on, we're heating up the material in the bag, melting it, and then when the light goes off, I continue to hold pressure. And what that results in is a nice, smooth, clean seal. So no ripples. And then if I come off, if I let go of the pressure while it's molten, it's going to create a really bad seal. If as soon as the light goes off I let go, the seal isn't going to be as good. So let's do that again. So I've got a little bit of corn debris right here, so I'll just take my finger, probably not the most sanitary thing, but there we go. Flatten it out nice and flat. I don't worry about crap on the outside, but stuff on the inside I would like not to be there. Lay it nice and flat. Pick up the tail end. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that hold phase is it's probably the most important. Nice, clean seal. So if you're having problems with your bags sealing, look at the back of them. You know, this is kind of difficult to see because of the printing, but look back here, and if you see ripples back here, that could be a problem. The oxygen absorbers, which are already in the bags, they're at the bottom, don't necessarily draw these in, super tight. So the fact that they're inflated a little doesn't necessarily mean they're leaking. But so yeah, that's how to use the Harvest Right heat sealer, actually any heat sealer. And so if you have any questions, hit us up here at the shop and put a question in the comment section, and we'll help you out. But and we have all your accessories and your Harvest Right freeze dryers here for you Brewing Supplies. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.